All I can say is that my life is pretty plain. I like watching the puddles gathering, and all I can do is just pour some tea for two and speak my point of view, but it's not sane. It's not sane. Just want someone to say to me, I'll always be there when you wake, yeah. You know I like to keep my cheeks dry today. So stay with me and I'll have it made. I'll have it. I understand why I sleep all day. Then I start to complain when there's no rain. And all I can do is read a book to stay awake. And it rips my life away, but it's a great escape. 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 Yeah, oh. I missed that part. All I can say is that my life is pretty plain. You don't like my point of view, you think I'm insane. It's not sane. It's not sane. Just want someone to say to me, I'll always be there when you wake, yeah. You know I like to keep my cheeks dry today. So stay with me and I'll have it made. I'll have it made. I'll have it made. Oh, no, I really know. Hey, now I have it made. What the fuck?